Okay, let's talk about match betting and how we can earn at least £300 over the next 7 days. Yeah, so match betting is a way that we can make money from the free offers that bookies give us. Yeah, we use a company called Profit Accumulator, and they basically give us a step-by-step of what to do. Each step along the way, it's easy. All you need to know is how to follow instructions, nothing else. You don't need any prehistoric history on how to place bets or betting, gambling, anything like that. It's not about that. It's just about following the step by step. I've shown my aunties, uncles, people younger than me, older than me, men, women. Anyone can do it. We can all do this. All you got to do is follow the step by step, which we're going to jump into in the tutorials. I've done this, and it works. Oh, I wouldn't even be talking about it. Trust me. You can make at least £300 over the next 7 days, but you can make up to £800 off just the initial offers, and then ongoing you can make. Some people are making £2,000 a month. You can make £50, £300, whatever you want to make. You can make it what you want. But we're going to focus on how you can make £300 over the next 7 days. Let's jump into the screens and let's do the steps. Okay, so the link brings you straight through to the Profit Accumulator website. Lots of information here if you want to learn more, but we're going to jump straight into signing up with the free sign up. Get straight into making some money. Okay, cool. Like I said earlier, this is a very simple sign up process. Literally first name, last name, email address, create a username, password, confirm your password. Click the little box down here, I'm not a robot, and submit the form. We're going to jump straight in now. That's it to start making some real money. Let's go. Okay, now we've signed up. It's going to ask you to log in again with your new login details, and you're going to come to this page here. Hi Tony, welcome to Profit Accumulator. You've signed up for a free trial. Literally, it just says we're going to follow the steps to start making money with this match betting. There's 3 simple steps. We're going to start with the first step, which is to go to the intro to match betting, which is basically an overview of everything match betting is. Now on this page here, you've got video tutorials and lots of information just that literally simply breaks you down step by step, an overview of what match betting is and how we're going to do it. So take your time just to read through it. Again, it's not complicated. Just sit down, listen to what they're saying, and it'll explain what exactly you have to do. Okay, once you've done that, we'll go back to the second step, which is to earn our first £45. That's what we came here for. We want to earn some money. Okay, so we're going to jump into it here. Okay, all right. So to make that first £45, these are our first 2 initial offers that we're going to do on the free trial. All right, so there's a Coral bet and there's a Betfred bet. So in addition to these 2 things here, what we need to jump away and do first is open up a Betfair account. Okay, again, simple sign up process, but we're going to need this in order to do these 2 offers and all the offers going forward. Okay, so click the link below or in the right up above and create your Betfair account, and then we're going to jump back into this. Okay, like I said earlier, the Betfair exchange is pivotal to this whole process, so we're going to get this signed up now. Very simple, just as simple as signing up to anything. So click on the link, you'll come to the Betfair page. The link's in the right below or above, and we're just going to click join now. So internet's a bit slow here, and then we're just going to click join now. Very, very simple. Patience. So I'm in Nicaragua. The internet's not as rapid as I'd like it to be. Cool. All right, we're on the sign up page here, and it's a classic sign up form. Male or female, enter your first name, last name, date of birth, country, your address, your phone number, email address, create a password, security question, Bob's your uncle, you are in. The only thing that you may need later on during this process, I can't go through the process now because I've already got an account, is sometimes they might ask for proof of who you are. So you just have to hand some identification that you might need to take a photo of and upload. But very simple, join now and your account is created, and then we can get back to the offer process in the next clip. Okay, now we've opened up our Betfair account, which was pivotal to this whole process. We're going to jump back in to start making this money straight away. Nothing long. So we're going to click on view offer. We're going to start with the first offer. Click on view offer. Coral. And then, as I've said the whole way through this, the information is laid out of exactly what to do. There's a video here, so you can click play. Hopefully the internet speed's not too slow. It's loading. But so you're going to have a video here, and there's text explaining everything they have to do. As you can see, look,
One of the
here.
easiest match betting offers to do first is the Coral.
Exactly. All right. So you can listen to the video. It gives you exactly what you have to do, breaks down step by step what we need to do to start making our first £45. Now, once you jump into it, you'll realize how simple it is. Don't be overwhelmed by, you know, the text or the information. Just literally just follow the instructions. I've shown this to people younger than me, older than me, like my older aunties and uncles, man, woman, people who have never placed a bet before in their lives. You don't need any experience, any previous knowledge of how to use these sites or match betting. It's the process itself. You can do it. I can do it. They can do it. It's very simple. Just follow the instructions. So yeah, follow the instructions. You go do these first 2 offers. So that's the first offer. Do them in order. Yeah, there's a science to why we do it this way. So do it in order, and then you're going to make your first £45 straight. Okay, so now you've made your £45. Well done. We're moving. What we're going to do now is we're going to upgrade our account to the full access, so we get access to all of the offers, so we can make our £300 that we spoke about earlier, even more if you want to. Yep, so we're going to click onto here, the first step, full access. I've got it open already to save time. All right, so on this page here, it just says sign up for the full access. Now they have a promotion on at the moment for where you pay £1 for a 3-day trial of the full access and then pay the full access of $17.99. I would recommend that you just go straight to the $17.99. Reason being is to get through the offers that you need to do to make the £300, it's probably going to take you longer than the 3 days, so you're going to end up basically paying more, and it's going to just force you to rush. Rushing is the only way that you could have any problems with this. It's risk-free, but rushing creates challenges and problems which we want to avoid. So my advice would be to sign up straight away to the $17.99. You've already made that. You've made £45, so it's, you know, it's not even coming out of your own pocket, and then you can get cracking with the additional offers. So to do that, you just come to here. It says, you know, if you want to skip and go straight to that, click here to sign up straight, and then yeah, $17.99, and then you join now. Yeah, that will upgrade your account. We've put in the write-up below the 10 best offers that I would suggest to get you that £300 in the quickest way possible. After you've done those, go ahead and do the rest. If you want, you can make up to £800 just off the welcome offers. And yeah, that's it, man. Okay, congratulations, you've upgraded your account now. Welcome to the Money Center. This is where all the offers are at, what we're going to do to basically make this £300 and more if you want to. So where we're going to focus on and start with, this is the page you'll come to once you've upgraded your account, and you click on offers over here, is we're going to start off with the sports book sign up offers. Now there's over 70 offers in here that we can do to make money. What we've done in the write-up is highlight the top 10 offers that we recommend to get you the quickest way, the safest way to making your £300 that you want. Yeah, so when you get to this page, you're going to see all of the offers, and when you click into each one, it walks you through exactly what you need to do for that offer. So just remember that each offer has its own, requirements or what, steps you need to follow, but it's all totally laid out just as it was in the first 2 offers. Yeah, so it's basically rinse and repeat what you've done earlier, but just follow the steps for these offers, and that's it. So you can make your £300 just by working your way through these, and then like I said, up to £800 if you do all of them. Okay, so hopefully those tutorials were nice and clear. Yeah, all you got to do is just follow what I said, click the link below or above, I don't know where it is right now, and sign up to the profit accumulator, and then also click the other link to sign up and create your Betfair account. Yeah, and then you are rolling. We're going to make this £300 over the next 7 days, easy peasy. Yeah, and the profit accumulator even say they're going to give, there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you don't make any profit over the next 30 days. So it's that impossible not to make profit from it that they're going to give you money back if you don't make any money. So it's literally risk-free. There's no risk. You can do it. All you got to do is sign up, click the link, sign up, create your account, create your Betfair account, and get moving. Follow the steps. Just follow the instructions, and you are rolling.